Hi guys, this is Val and welcome back to Val's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna do something out of the box. I'm gonna do breadfruit punch. That is very unusual. So here are all my ingredients. I have to have a breadfruit. Breadfruit pretty. Ooh, so pretty. But I'm not gonna use all of it. I'm gonna use quarter. You have to have your vanilla. You have your milk. Any milk of your choice. You can use tin milk, condensed milk. I have a nutmeg, supplegen, dragon stout, anything. You can do it without stout. You don't have to use any alcohol, but I just feel to just turn it up a notch with my little alcohol. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put this together. I'm gonna use this amount. Then we'll just cut out the liquor. Alright, but I'm still gonna peel it, so I'm gonna peel out the skin. Right, and take out the heart. You ever had breadfruit punch, guys? Tell me. Yeah, or if you never have it, you can try it. It's very, very delicious. Cut them in this size as I'm cook fast. Alright, so just cook them for until tender. Okay, this amount is good enough. Then we just wash them. Let me just cook them just for 5 minutes or so and then come back and blend it and put everything together. Alright? Guys, look at this. The breadfruit is so pretty. I'm gonna use the same water to blend it. Alright? This breadfruit is so nice. The size, the smaller you cut it, the easier to cook. It's little over 5, about 6 minutes, and we look it tender in no time. Yes, so just cut it as small as possible. We're gonna start the blending process. Just put some the same water. Kind of hot, you know. Alright. Mind it splash. Be careful. We can't wait till it cool. You understand, baby? Wow, look at this. Look at this. Ooh, for me. Never know such a breadfruit coming in till now. So I'm gonna transfer it to this container. Wow, guys! Wow! Look like you can have it just as. Watch it. Look. Ooh. Not a ounce me not leave back in there. Everything is coming out. Right out. Right out. Just gonna use about. This is less than half. This is less than half. Guys, and wash all the bottles and the tins, alright? And your box when you're using it, whatever you're using, alright? I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of vanilla. I just use vanilla to taste. All right. So it's how much breadfruit we use? A quarter. Yeah. About 3 slices of breadfruit because it's very rich. Just 3 slices. Nutmeg. Just a little pinch of salt to taste. And I use milk to taste. It's coming like Irish moss. This put me in the mind of Irish moss. And some people call it sea moss. It's just amazing. I wish if everybody who watch this video would just try this and just come back and say, Val, this is amazing. It's so amazing, guys. If you could just taste it, it's so amazing. Why? Oh God. Oh my God. Ooh. This is so amazing. Oh my God, this babe is just messy. It's just giving me messy. Guys, this breadfruit punch is just shocking. To me, I make carrot punch, pumpkin punch, but this breadfruit punch, it come like it's the bomb, it's the best. You see, with these punches, guys, just chill them. Just put them, if you want to chill fast, just put it in a freezer. If you don't want to put it in a freezer, just put it in a refrigerator. Because when I put ice in it, you know, I think it loses its flavor. You know, it loses flavor. So don't put any ice, just chill it and you're good to go. Okay? So guys, just try it. Thanks again for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell, put the settings on all, give me a thumbs up. See you all in the next video and bye.